Greetings, young money savers and future financial titans. As you embark on the exhilarating journey of adulthood, the financial world beckons with promises of growth and prosperity. Today, we'll unveil the secrets of harnessing compound interest in your 20s, empowering you to build a strong financial foundation that will propel you to new heights. So put on your financial capes and get ready to take charge of your financial destiny. The ever-evolving financial landscape. In this rapidly changing world, the financial landscape has undergone a seismic shift. Technological advancements have revolutionized the way we handle money and investments. Gone are the days of waiting in long queues at brick-and-mortar banks. Now you can manage your finances with just a few taps on your smartphone. With the rise of fintech startups, robo-advisors, and online investment platforms, the doors to the investment world have swung open for the masses. Accessibility has become the name of the game, making investing no longer a privilege reserved for the elite, but a gateway to financial empowerment for all. Additionally, the conscious investor has emerged, with a growing emphasis on sustainable and socially responsible investing. Millennials and Gen Z are leading the charge, seeking companies that align with their values, contributing to a positive impact on society and the planet. Investing is no longer just about numbers. It's about making a difference. Harnessing compound interest, the magic money machine. Compound interest is the ultimate financial superpower, and starting early is your secret weapon. Imagine planting a tiny financial seed in your 20s, nurturing it over time, and watching it grow into a magnificent money tree. That's compound interest at work. Here's how it works. When you invest money, it earns interest. But unlike simple interest, compound interest doesn't stop there. It reinvests the interest you earned back into your initial investment, creating a snowball effect. The longer your money stays invested, the more time it has to grow exponentially. Take the example of two friends, Alex and Taylor. Alex starts investing $200 per month at the age of 25, while Taylor waits until 35 to invest the same amount. Assuming a 7% annual return, by the time they both turn 65, Alex's investment would have grown to over $574,000, while Taylor's account would only have around $237,000. That's the power of starting early. Actionable steps to embrace compound interest. Invest regularly and wisely. Consistency is key. Start by setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. Decide on a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Retirement accounts, a must-have. Don't ignore retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. These tax-advantaged accounts offer a powerful way to grow your wealth while reducing your tax burden. Pay down high-interest debt. Before diving headfirst into investing, tackle high-interest debt like credit cards. The interest on debt can quickly erode potential gains from investments. Emergency fund, your safety net. Build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion will help you stay afloat during unexpected financial storms. Diversify for balance. Diversification spreads risk and prevents your entire financial world from crumbling if one investment goes south. Balance your portfolio to achieve both growth and stability. Anecdotes, humor, and relatable content. Let's face it, adulting is hard, but mastering your finances doesn't have to be boring. We've all had our fair share of financial blunders and facepalm moments. Remember that time you accidentally paid your rent twice? Or when you splurged on those designer shoes and then ate instant noodles for a week? We've all been there. But hey, no judgment. We're here to learn, grow, and laugh together. So let's swap our money mishap stories, inspire each other to make smarter choices, and turn those cringe-worthy moments into valuable life lessons. The future of sustainable investing. In this age of social consciousness, investing isn't just about amassing wealth, it's about shaping the world we live in. As millennials and Gen Z rise to financial prominence, their values are influencing the investment landscape. They demand transparency, ethics, and environmental responsibility from companies they choose to invest in. Sustainable investing, also known as ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, focuses on supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability, diversity, and good corporate governance. By investing in these companies, you can use your financial power to drive positive change and create a better future for generations to come. Congratulations, dear young investors. You've unlocked the secrets to harnessing compound interest and setting yourselves up for financial triumph. Remember, time is your ally, so start investing now and let compound interest work its magic. As you embark on this exhilarating journey, embrace sustainable investing and let your financial choices align with your values. Each dollar you invest can be a force for good, shaping a brighter and more inclusive world. So go forth, take charge of your financial destiny, and remember that with time's ticking, the power of compound interest awaits your embrace. If you enjoyed this financial odyssey and want to learn more about the secrets of compound interest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Together, let's create a community of savvy investors and world changers. Until next time, keep investing, keep thriving, and keep making a positive impact.